Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thanks for stopping by. Let's make oat fufu today. Here I have some oat flour which I got from grinding my oats. I have some rolled oats here, so just grind this into powder to make our fufu. So to make the fufu, I start by boiling some water. When the water boils, take out a little in case it's going to be, so that it will not be much for the fufu, or so that you will use it later. Just take out little water and then go ahead and start pouring the oat flour into the remaining hot water on the stove. Pour as much as you want to make. The quantity you're making depends on how many people are going to eat this. Then mix until everything comes together. After mixing it very well, thereby you will no longer see raw oat flour in it, then we add water to cook it till done. The water also depends on how you want it. If you want it very soft, then you have to add more water to it. If not, add a little water, cover and cook it for about 7 minutes on low heat. After about 7 minutes, then it is time to stir it very well. Stir it, turn it until no more water in it. And if you feel it is still hard, because oats gets harder as it stays. So if you're not eating it immediately, you can still add a little more water to it so that it will remain soft. Our oat fufu is ready to be enjoyed. If you're eating it immediately, just serve into a plate. But if you're not eating it immediately, then we have to wrap it. And that's what I'm doing here. Wrap it so that it doesn't get cold, because when it gets cold, it will get strong or hard. Dear treasures, here we have our oat fufu. Very simple to make, but very yummy. You can enjoy this with any soup of your choice. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye-bye.